Okay, guys, so we've got a free live webinar coming up this Saturday. How to make awesome profits trading options. So it's going to be 9 a.m. till 11 a.m. Eastern Time this Saturday, November 6th. So it is actually, guys, going to be restricted to first timers to ITPM only. And the webinar is going to be held by Jason McDonald and Ben Berg-Green. So two of our senior trading mentors, Jason and Ben. So they're going to be going through various option strategies, and they're going to be doing this to show you how to get a higher absolute return in your account. So higher absolute dollar returns. And not only that, but they're actually going to be showing you how to do it in a very safe and efficient way. So essentially, how to become a much more efficient trader in terms of your overall ROI, return on investment. So both Jason and Ben, they've been around for a long time, been around for 25 plus years each, and they've both been trading options all of that time. So it's going to be a really awesome webinar, guys, really cool webinar. So click the link below, free live webinar, how to make awesome profits trading options, 9 a.m. till 11 a.m. Eastern Time, this Saturday, November the 6th. Jason and Ben will see you there.